Welcome to this video about the third release of Inventory Alpha. In this release, we focus mainly on making the navigation easier and improving the interface visuals and the information that is displayed. The most obvious change is the color coding and addition of representative illustrations when viewing samples, subsamples, and containers. This enables you to quickly distinguish the type of the item you are looking at based on the panel color, and adds some vibrancy to the interface. We've added two new views, Tree View and Card View. You can switch between List View and these two views at any time using a simple toggle. Tree View is useful if you're navigating a nested hierarchy of items. You can click on containers to expand or collapse their contents. Clicking on items will also open them in the right-hand panel. There's also a Navigate to Container button to easily zoom into the contents of a specific container. Card View enables you to view essential information about items at a glance, such as their image, location, and details about when they were last modified. For containers, you are also given the number of samples and containers stored in them. You can click on a card to open that item in the right-hand panel. Meanwhile, clicking on the three dots on the top right of a card will give you access to the actions you can take on that item, such as duplicating it or moving it. Clicking on the location will open the specific container that item is located in. Additionally, for both Card View and Tree View, you can sort the results by name and type. We've also added these views to containers, so you can switch between List, Tree, and Card View when viewing a container's contents in the right-hand panel. For grid containers and visual containers, this toggle is where you can switch to grid and visual view as well. We've updated the content that appears in info pop-ups based on what is most likely to be valuable information for users. The global ID of the item, which, if clicked, copies a link to that item that you can then paste into another document. Information about the owner and who last modified the item and when. Samples and subsamples also display information on their quantity, while containers display information on their dimensions, what they can store, and their contents. Other improvements include the ability to specify what the row and column labels of a grid container should be to better reflect the labels of the physical containers you are using. You can select alphabetical and numerical labels, both normal and reversed. Also, we have clearer status indicators when creating, editing, and viewing a deleted item, which are visible even if you've scrolled down the item. That's it for this release. As always, the full changelog and documentation pages are available at the Inventory Hub, which is linked in the description below. The Inventory Hub also includes a link to our development roadmap and information on how to access Inventory Alpha so you can try out the system for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time.